Welcome guys, today I am with TCL 30 SE and I want to show you a few camera tips. The first, we are going to focus how to take photos because we got actually a few different methods. The first one, the very obvious, we can use our shutter. But also, we can use these volume buttons, volume up and volume down. So we have to basically press once on each and the photo will be taken. We can also use this fingerprint sensor on the back. Take a look. As you can see, we easily take photos with this one. And the next option will be right here in the settings, that's touch to shot. Right now when you touch the screen, you will be also to take photos. Just like that. Right now we can simply switch for the zoom feature. So as you can see, we can zoom by tapping right here. We can also move our finger through the slider, pinch screen, or go for the settings and change volume button function from shutter to zoom. You can also quickly change brightness level on the photo mode by moving this sun icon. So basically you have to tap on the screen. When the sun icon shows, just move it like that. As you can see, it works very good. To change other parameters, like for example color and the temperature, you have to click on this place and you will find filters. Click on the shutter to take photo and as you can see, there it is. To turn it off, just go back right here and select this place. Okay, we can also use additional modes, so we have to tap on these three lines at the bottom of your screen in the right upper corner while holding your phone like that, and you can go for the high pixel mode. As you can see in this mode, we can get more details on the photos, so take a look how it works. Just take photo, do the same with the normal mode, and we are going to make small comparison. So this photo was taken with the normal mode, it looks like that. Not bad, right? But let's switch to the high pixel mode. There it is. And right now we can spot definitely more details. We can also zoom in much closer. That's a very cool feature. Okay, so actually that's all for the TCL 30 SE. If you guys find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.